All right, guys, welcome to another video. So today we're gonna be taking a look at the March Nomadik Box. So if you're interested, stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, subscription box unboxings, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Please consider hitting subscribe if you haven't already. All right, so today we're going to take a look at the March 2024 Nomadik Box. Now, these boxes come in every single month. It is a subscription service. You can sign up for 1, 6, 12 months. Ironclad guarantee, meaning if I open this, something's broke, damaged, I already have one. All I've got to do is shoot an email over to Nomadik. They'll send me a replacement item free of charge. No questions really asked other than, hey, I already have this, or hey, this is broken. I did sign up for a subscription to Nomadik. When that subscription ended, Nomadik sent me boxes like this one to unbox for you guys to show you what comes in the boxes. So let's dive in. Like I said, March 2024. Today we're gonna be using the Gerber flat iron big cleaver blade to get into this. I did a review of this knife. I put a card up top. You can go check that video out. So let's see what we have in this box. Keep that knife handy. Let's see. All right, so we have our pamphlet here. Every month is themed and has a pamphlet included. Dawn to Dusk Adventure is this theme. Let's see, on the back, we'll start with the back. We have the shop, which is a link to Nomadik. I'll have a link in the description below. You can go check out Nomadik. Have a QR code that will take you to brand discounts. We have our sticker, pretty cool sticker there. Let's put it to the side. Then we have a list and description of everything in the box. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things in this box. Tips that usually relate to the theme, and a Nomadik challenge where you can win free gear. So keep this handy in case we need to read up on something and see what it is. Now, let's just dive in. I see something moving around. What is this? Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. This is Tinny. Do more with less. Cool cucumber. 100% natural deodorant. Okay. So flip up and twist to open. Check that out. So it is a little packable deodorant. That's pretty cool. So a little deodorant. So this is Dawn to Dusk Adventure. Just, I guess, a variety of backpacking type gear. So we have here, we have soft reflector for bags and garments. So this clips on, looks like it clips on to like a zipper pull or really anywhere. And it's a reflective, soft, reflective, something like you see this reflective tape. This will be similar to that, but you don't have to tape it on and you can move it from bag to bag. That's pretty cool. And this thing about Nomadik, you get gear that you either didn't know existed or gear that you didn't think you would use or have never thought of or never heard of. So what we have here, we have Dry Fox, something from Dry Fox. We've gotten stuff from Dry Fox before. I can't remember what it was, but we got something from Dry Fox before. What is this? This is a compact packable backpack, 16 liters, water resistant, and 4 ounces. So it's only 4 ounces. And let's see. So, ripstop. Okay, this is not terrible. You never know what you're gonna get with like a packable backpack, but this is pretty cool. You got a front pocket, it goes pretty deep down. 2 mesh side pockets here, pretty big main compartment, and your straps, just something thin. You're not carrying, you're not hiking with this. So this is pretty cool. I like this. I like that it goes down into the bag. So if you're traveling, this will be perfect to go on a little excursion, or if you are hiking and you're going to set up like a base camp and you want to do like a day hike, that would be perfect for that. So really cool. We've gotten some stuff from Dry Fox before. I don't remember what it was, but I remember it was quality. I remember the gear was pretty good. That may have been the big item for the... So, foldable silicone disc. Okay, so a little toy, like kind of an outdoor game. Fly it anywhere, indoors, outdoors, flies over 130 feet. Pretty cool. Catchable, foldable, portable, and collectible. There you go. And should have one more item. Instafire fire starter. Now, I can tell you about this. This was seen on Shark Tank. I have used this. Actually, I'm an affiliate for Instafire, so I have a link to them in the description below. This stuff works amazing if you're trying to get like damp wood started for a campfire. This pack right here will get you going. Early in my YouTube journey, this was probably one of my first affiliates, and I did a video showing how it burned, and I even did a video how long it would burn. So I believe that's still on my channel, so you have to go on there and search for it. But it's pretty old, so don't come at me about the quality of it, but go check it out. Lights wet wood, burns at nearly 1,000 degrees, burns on snow, water, and ice, non-volatile, no unexpected flare-ups, a long burn time of 10 to 15 minutes. I can't remember what our test ran. It is a waterproof pouch. This pouch is waterproof. You tear the top off and it's granules, if you can hear it, that's granules in there. No harmful chemicals, safe to store near food. Leftover ash is a natural fertilizer. So yeah, so you pour it into a pile, light it with a match or a lighter, and place wood over it, and it will burn. So there you go, Instafire fire starter. Those are really cool. I can already tell you this stuff works amazing. I have used it not only camping, I've used it in the backyard for the fire pit. I've used it numerous times over the years. So it's a really good product. I'll have a link. What I can find of this, I will link in the description below. You can get over and check all this stuff out individually. Also, like I said before, I have a link to Nomadik in the description. So if you want to get over and check out Nomadik, you will have a link to do so very, very easily. So that's all I've got for today. This was our March 2024 Nomadik Box. If you're not already a subscriber, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it. And tell me your thoughts on this month's Nomadik. I think they've almost kind of redeemed themselves from the last month. These are some really cool items. I like the pack. The little disc I think would be fun. We went camping not too long ago with my kids. That would have definitely been something cool to have. Fire starter, that's always good to have. So there you go. So if you got anything, drop it in the comments. I'll see you in the comments. If you're not there, I will see you in the next video. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.